Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, okay, I'll show you what I'm doing. I just masked the rear bumper because I'm gonna play with the tail lights and the blackout. I'm gonna test fit it. I bought a plastic molding, like a U shape. I think it's for tablets to put in the front, something like that. So I saw that from Funky Project, a YouTuber that had a Knight Rider replica too. He's building another one, so I'm gonna try what he did. He bought that, painted it black like this, and put a two-way tape all the way over there, and then put his blackout in it. So that's going to be on top like this, but it's going to be black, and it's going to do the curve because the bumper has a little curve in it. So I'm going to put some two-way tape to make it do the curve, and after that I'm going to put my blackout in it, so it will go in there. And after that, when everything is going to fit like a glove, maybe I'll do like Funky Project. He put some screws about every 6 or 8 inch. He did put a screw in it all the way to make sure that to be extra safe, because I'm wondering if I only put two-way tape in the heat when it's going to be like 35 degrees and up, if the two-way tape wanna unglue. So I'll put some screws too, but I'm not sure for now, but I think so. Now the thing I'm doing right now, I took a block with sandpaper and I have to sand each end of the blackout, and I'm gonna have to sand all the way up to here, because I bought this from, I think it's KRW, but it's too long. It's like maybe not a quarter inch too long, but between 1/8 and 1/4 too long. So I have to take out some out of the end here and out of the end over there, and maybe on the wide side too, because like my friend Chris told me, make sure it's a little bit loose, because when in the big heat it expand, the plexi will expand a little bit, so you don't want the blackout to be super tight in its socket, in its hole over there. So it's a long process. It's I got my fan over here because it's pretty hot in the garage, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm charging my battery. Don't know if I ever showed you that, but that's my secondary battery. So I'm charging it because I went to a car show last Friday, and the battery was low, and you can see the cable over there. Comes up like over here, got a bracket over here, and you can see the wire. I hooked it up on that little pin over here, because when you turn the key, that pin goes click, click, and that's what opens your trunk. So when I pull on the handle over there behind my back seat, just pull down and my hatch opens. So my handle is over here for now. don't know if I'm gonna put it somewhere else, but for now it's there. And for now it's working because I don't have an electric trunk. So if I want to put the blackout and I don't want to put a hole in the middle for my key, I needed that. So yeah guys, so that's what I'm doing for now. I hope everything works like I want to. So I'm gonna have to I think I will have a lot of sanding to do, and I don't want to mess it up because that thing is pretty expensive here. When you got when you get this shipped from the US or somewhere else out of the Canadian, it's the shipping is pretty expensive, and the money exchanges Canadian has dropped a lot. So that blackout, I don't remember how it cost me, but I think it's like maybe 250 bucks or something like that. So I don't want to mess it up. Just wanted to share with you what's going on. So that's it, and I'll do another video when it's installed and show you the result. Alright, so I hope you like the video. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. It helps the channel a lot. And see you in the next one. Bye. So this is almost a finished product. I have to make some L bracket, 2 L brackets, one for over there, one over here. Same thing on the other side, so it don't rattle and it stay snug. And because the molding, U-shaped molding is pretty large, there's a gap. So I'm gonna have to put a piece inside so the blackout stay snug, tight in the molding. But it gives you an idea. It looks way better with a blackout. I'm gonna have to take off the tape and the paper, but it gives you an idea. So that's it, guys.